that is my dream. Kung natulungan ko ang mga teacher na maging ganun, that would be the satisfaction of my life. Parang handang-handa ako nang harapin si Lord. Pero hindi pa naman siguro sa lahat.
Malayo pa. Pero tingin mo, bakit ang bilis at malalim ang naging pagtanggap ng mga Pilipino sa Catholicism?
Okay, that's a good question. Remember that we have our own faith and that there's always this notion na ang mga Pilipino ay ginawang Katoliko ng mga Espanyol.
Okay.
Which, in a ways, implies na uto-uto ang mga Pilipino. No? But remember this, granting na ito, kasi tanggap naman ng simbahan to eh. The religion was used for political purposes. And this is always the case. Every time.
Until now.
Every time.
Oo.
So, wag na kayong, kumbaga, it's not Indian special for the Catholic Church only.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Indian special for the Catholic Church only. Number one. Number two, hindi, gusto kong ipakita na 300 years of Spanish colonialism na nagamit ang Katolisismo. We rejected colonialism in the Revolution of 1896.
Okay.
Bakit Katoliko pa rin ang maraming Pilipino hanggang ngayon? Di ba?
Makes sense, yes.
So, because pinaghiwalay natin eh. Meron tayong way, alam natin na if you look at Catholicism, which was introduced to us by the Spaniards, there's certain similarities to the old religion of our ancestors. Diba?